Hello friends, today we will learn the NCERT questions of chapter 11 of science, transportation in animals and plants. Question number 1, match structures given in column 1 with functions given in column 2. Stomata, transpiration. Xylem, transport of water. Root hairs, absorption of water. Phloem, transport of food. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. The blood from the heart is transported to all the parts of the body by the arteries. Hemoglobin is present in RBC cells. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called heartbeat. The main excretory product in human beings is urea. Sweat contains water and excess salt. Kidneys eliminate the waste materials in the liquid form called urine. Water reaches great heights in the trees because of suction pull caused by transportation. Question number 3. Choose the correct option. In plants, water is transported through xylem. Water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants under the fan. Question number 4. Why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain. In the plants or animal, transport of material is very necessary. Animals need to transport food and water from the intestine to all the body parts. Animals also need to transport oxygen from the lungs to all other body parts. Animals need to transport the waste material where they had produced to the area from where they can be removed. In the same way, plants also need to transport the food material. That food is formed in the leaves. So, from the leaves, the food is transported to all the parts and water and minerals. Transport from the soil to the leaves. In this way, plants and animals need transport of material. Question number 5. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? If we get injured, blood comes to the area where the cut is there. Platelets make a clot and it helps to stop the bleeding. So, if the platelets are not present, the clot will not be formed. As a result, the bleeding will not stop. So, it will cause a disease, less of blood, called hemophilia, or even the person may die. Question number 6. What are stomata? Give the functions of stomata. Stomata are tiny pores which are present on the surface of the leaves. They are surrounded by the kidney-shaped cells. These kidney-shaped cells are called guard cells. Functions of stomata are: it helps in the exchange of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen. It helps in the removal of excess water in the leaves and it provides rigidity also. Question number 7. Does transpiration serve any useful function in the plants? Explain. Transpiration serves very useful function in the plants. Transpiration is important for plants in many ways. Evaporation of the water the leaves generates a suction pull. This pull can evaporate water and the water can reach the height of the plant. Ultimately, it can evaporate to the tall height of tall trees. Second, it can provide the cooling effect to the plant. Question number 8. What are the components of blood? Components of blood are mainly plasma and cells. RBCs, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells and platelets. It is a fluid connective tissues and many cells suspended in it. That fluid is called as plasma. RBCs contain hemoglobin which gives red color to the blood, and hemoglobin is also an oxygen carrier. WBC or white blood cells are for the immunity. They fight with germs. They are the barriers. Platelets are the fragment pieces of the special cells which help in the blood clotting. Question number 9. Why is blood needed by all the parts of a body? The blood is required to carry the food material and oxygen to all the body parts. It also helps to release the waste products also from the area where the waste products are generated to the area where it had been removed out. Question number 10. What makes the blood look red? There is a special pigment present in the red blood cells. This pigment is called hemoglobin which gives red color to the blood. Question number 11. Describe the function of the heart. Heart is like a pumping organ. It helps to transport the blood. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of these chambers, they maintain the circulation of the blood and transport different materials to different parts of the body. Question number 12. Why is it necessary to excrete waste products? Waste product is very toxic material, and if they accumulate in the body, they can cause so many diseases. So, we need to release the waste products. Question number 13. Draw a diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts. Friends, this is our human excretory system. These are 2 kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra, renal artery and renal vein. Thank you. Bye bye.